You are live. All right. Let's do this. Got a new system down. We're good to go. Speakers are good. My video good? Sounds good. And then X. Ah, nice. Building his own LLM. That's cool. I want to build my own LLM. That'd be cool. All right. And X is good. How about Twitch? Twitch is good. Oh, it didn't totally crash. I haven't had to restart my computer yet, so I'm sure I'm gonna need to soon. But cool. Stare into the void. All right. What are we doing here? 542. Seems good. Seems high. Jumping. Profile. Yesterday. 100 activities yesterday. Yeah, there's like a bunch of stuff that was posted yesterday, and I was on a roll, just liking everything, I guess. Still pretty bad about that, where I'm really just getting my activities in, I guess, by liking, but not really doing a whole lot else. 100 on the 22nd. Cool. And then Skool members. Oh, same. Is that the same as it was yesterday? Yeah, 42. Yeah. Why did that jump so much? Cool. Oh, wait. No, it's not. I'm going off of settings, metrics. 38, 538. Something's happening though. What's going on? All right, and then Skool activity, Skool members, not the stream. Subs, YouTube subs. We got another one. All right, where are we at? Analytics. Oh, get AI to help your channel. Really now? Let's check that out. Audience size growth, subscribers. 1103. Cool. That was from 22nd. Yeah, nice. Okay. 1103. So gained 3 after a little bit of stagnation. Might have actually gained and lost because I thought I saw a couple, like we went down at one point, right? No, I saw, oh yeah, there we go. It's like I lost a couple subscribers at one point. Which, who knows? This could even be bots. Might have been fake accounts that got deleted. But that is progress. Yeah, I just I don't know. I just realized that I mean, I know I've had, I think, uneducated in here telling me what to do as far as like, yeah, man, you got to be doing doing shorts. It's like, yeah, you're absolutely right. Somehow I haven't been doing that. I've been doing the fun part. So I come on here and I stream, and then I don't actually create any clips out of the stream. So I should probably do that. Oh, wow. Yeah, they did add AI stuff. This is not normally here, I don't think. Summarize my latest video performance. How many new viewers did I reach? How did viewers find my content? Okay, so they're just going to tell me what's going on from the dashboard. So that's not that exciting. They're just going to summarize data, which I could have done with like a screenshot and ask GPT. So yeah, whatever. But got this consistency down with the stream, which is good. And as I've found, stream is not helpful. I mean, it's good. It's good for live interaction, but it doesn't grow. It's the same problem with Twitch back in the day with all the game streamers, where everybody's gonna like, oh, I'm gonna turn on my camera and play video games, and I'm gonna become a rich streamer, and it doesn't work. You have to bring in traffic from somewhere else. So yeah, I need to start dedicating a little more time to at least getting one short done from from the stream like I originally planned. I just somehow have like deprioritized that, which is the thing I need to have. So, Craig, what's up? They say one live stream per day, one short per day, and one normal video upload per day. Yeah, something like that would be great. And I could even, I could probably actually pull stuff. I mean, I need to plan the streams out a little bit better to get a video out of it every day. I mean, basically creating like it would be like a whole series, I guess, on the course builder situation, but would have probably need to plan that from the beginning. But yeah, I mean, I can easily do a live stream and a short per day. That would be easy. And even just having one short per day would be huge. So I've just like deprioritized. I think I kept putting it off because it's like, oh, I'll make a system that'll do that, and then I haven't gotten back to that system. So then it just hasn't happened. And really, the priority is to get the short out, not to build the system. The system should take over the process of doing the short every day. We are though, yes, yeah. The system is basically almost done. That's why, it's like, well, I can't start the video series now because it's like it's basically done at this point. I mean, I could do one like from beginning to end now because it is almost done. But I should have been doing like a video, every day that I worked on it, do like a recap video or something. But that's okay. But yeah, we're getting close. Where are we at? We were doing worksheet stuff. We got 2 of them working. Got 2 documents done. I think this last one was going to be the quiz. So we hadn't done the quiz yet. Did I? And I don't think I updated it yet. So let's get the quiz prompt in here. And we just needed it to have the content from the other 2. So basically it needed the worksheet content to then be able to do the quiz content. And I'm going to recopy these because now they're probably out of date. I would do intro with screenshot showing what you were working on that day and outro showing what is next for the next video upload. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that would work. Yeah, as far as like marketing the system. All right. So then this is going to be generate quiz questions. And then where's my quiz generator? Space this out a little bit, even though it doesn't really matter. Make it a little more human readable. Okay. And then text lesson. What was that? The incorrect options. Oh, there we go. Distractors should be plausible, but definitively incorrect. Nice, nice, nice. All right, so then the lesson text is coming in from the loop. And the worksheet content is coming in from here. That'll work. And then, yeah, so it just should hopefully generate 3 to 5 multiple choice questions. Does not need to be pinned because it hasn't actually done anything yet. What are we doing? We're restarting. Hopefully the pinning still works. There we go. Let's see what the quiz questions look like. Might need to add to prompt. Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. Yep, I forgot to format it. Good call. Look at the questions, though. What is the primary function of pip in the Python environment? To install and manage third-party libraries to create isolated environment or isolated virtual environments to compile Python code to executables or to debug Python applications. Oh yeah, I was thinking BNV. Yo, what's up, man? Congrats on your. Glad you got your phishing link analyzer done. That's awesome. Main benefit of using BNV. There we go. There's the isolated environment option. Which command is used to activate a virtual terminal or a virtual environment created with BNV on Mac OS and Linux? Source BNV activate. Nice. According to the lesson, which troubleshooting tip can help solve permission errors with pip? User. Nice. There we go. I didn't. Did you provide a link? I don't think I saw a link for it. Cool. So we're just gonna make sure that this actually prints out the document, and then that should be good to go. Oh, I posted a link in LinkedIn. Okay, cool. Okay, so use it to submit to the form, and then executes little Python. Very nice, very nice. That's awesome. There we go. 97% there. We're getting there. Yeah, man. It's looking good. Self-hosted. Let's install a little Python. Run some basic Python URL analyzing. Nice. If malicious, then dump it into Airtable and send a message. That's cool, man. Very cool. Got a little Telegram bot going. Good stuff. Which part were you were stuck on something the other day, as far as exactly what it was. All right, there we go. It's looking good. Now we can create our document. Not that. It's going to be quiz folder and quiz questions. and then we need the ID from that one, which is fine. So that'll work. And then generate those questions. So that's, yeah. Really? I guess that works. Yeah, cool. It like guessed correctly. Ah, nice. It's getting smarter. That's cool. And then the switch. Okay, gotcha. Oh yeah, you switched from that stuck part. There you go. There you go. Hey, it's better to get it to work. Document ID should come from that. Cool. And then this is not going to be worksheet. This is going to be quiz question. Right? Is that what I called it? Get row and sheets item name. Get row and sheets lesson number. No, that's not right. Should be loop over item number. They still using the wrong one? Wait a minute. That's lesson number is correct. This one's still using the wrong one. Get rows sheet. Yeah, that's not right. It should be loop. That also is not right. It should be loop. Worksheet folder ID. Or no, additional resources ID. Oh wait, no, that's right. That's right. That actually is fine. It's the lesson number though that's not right. Get rows and sheet lesson number should be coming from the loop. So worksheet is correct. Get item, then that's fine. That comes from get rows. Lesson number should be iterative. Generate worksheet item. That's good. Then this should be fine. Document ID. Get rows and sheet name, but loop over item number. Okay, that's correct. Then that should match this. Yeah, those are all good. Cool. Then this guy, I think is fine. Just pulling in loop over item lesson text. Then when we create the document, it should be loop over item get rows in sheet item, then loop over items lesson number. That's correct. Message model API should be basically the same. Get rows in sheet, then loop over number item lesson number. Upload. Loop over. Yeah. Additional resources. Is that what this is? Yeah, that's additional. That's worksheet. And then this last guy, then this part should be fine. Create a document should be loop over item folder. Get row, then loop over item. Yeah. Okay. Get rows, loop over item. Rows, loop over item. Get rows, loop over item. Worksheet. Nope. Quiz question. Okay, that's looking better. And that's not worksheet. That would be just quiz folder ID. Quiz folder ID. Cool. That's looking better. Today I learned RAG agent all perfectly set up in a line, but when I trigger through chat, it doesn't even answer from Pinecone. I mean, not even touched that Pinecone. Why? You've got the. Do you have the RAG agent hooked up in like a? You've got the Pinecone connected to a AI agent model like this. Like you've got it connected down below. Sometimes like the AI agents are kind of weird. Like sometimes you have to tell them like, hey, you have Pinecone connected. Search the Pinecone database for this value. Because sometimes it'll just like ignore ignore your tools even though you have them connected. So you might just have to be explicit about it to make sure that it actually uses it. Tried it all, but still, it might not have access. I mean, what's the AI coming back with? Like, does it come back with an answer? Is it just making stuff up, or does it tell you that it can't get to it? It's like I'm assuming you're not getting an error. Okay, so I think we can pin this. It's got the output we wanted. It's going to keep generating all these duplicates. Just same input answer from that LLM. What's that mean? It just keeps getting the same answer back. I should have just let it run all the way through. The whole thing. But like, what's it say? Like, there has to be more detail, I guess, into like what's happening, right? Because there's probably clues as to like what's going wrong. It's not just, I mean, unless it's returning nothing or, I don't know. Even with the, like, there should be an error, or the output from the LLM should be saying something. I mean, I guess unless it's coming back with nothing, because normally the LLM will be like, I don't have access to data, like I don't know what you're talking about. So it's usually pretty helpful as far as that goes. Okay, so lots of worksheets. That's fine for now. Quiz though. Quiz is what we're looking for, so we can get rid of this guy. I mean, there we go. We got quiz questions. Knowledge base is about cybersecurity PDF. When I chat, what is cybersecurity? Tell me from Pinecone. Only it replies same as input. So like the response that it gives you is just a generic cybersecurity answer, or it just tells you that the knowledge base, it's just telling you that the knowledge base is about cybersecurity. Yeah, you might need to ask it more specific questions, like can you find, whatever, find a term or something, or you're just trying to get it to do a summary from the RAG database. It just might be a little too high level then. So it might be accessing it, it's just giving you a generic answer because you need more of a specific question. What's this one? Okay, these are the references. All right, so we got a quiz doc. I don't know if that needs to be like formatted better, more nicely, but Oh, whoa. What happened there? Oh, I might delete the wrong one. Oops. Oh, well. One of them was empty. This one is, it had content, so we're good. No input. What is cybersecurity? Tell me from Pinecone only response. What is cybersecurity? Tell me from Pinecone. Oh, really? That's weird. I don't know. I don't know what would cause it to return the same response. I mean, unless you got something set up like, I don't know, double check like the just output to text files each line on another line. Just output to text files each line on another line. So like this. Yeah, that's good. And I guess I'm outputting to Google Doc instead of text, but I would just double check your agent node and make sure the settings all make sense. Like there might be, I don't know, maybe something in your prompt or something that's causing it not to connect, or yeah, something in the config here maybe. But that's weird that it would just return the same answer. Make sure the LLM is hooked up correctly, I guess, but I don't know why it would return. It's really weird that it would return the exact same thing you input. Like that seems like it's not even connecting. It seems like you're returning the input as opposed to returning whatever the LLM is doing. Because like normally the LLM will like respond like, oh, I don't have access to that, or like, hey, yeah, go ahead and provide me, or like here's a general summary of cybersecurity. So that's weird. Just output two text files each line on another line. Yes. Okay. And then we have our quiz, so it's good. Now we do this last one. We do this after the loop, I think. That's what I was trying to get back to. So all these documents are being created, and then when those are done, finish the loop. And then yeah, when the loop's done, then we can say, okay, cool. I wonder if it'll aggregate all these items. I think it will, right? So I just want to aggregate all the titles. Whoa. Flag. And then, there we go. What is happening? So that way we get all the titles, and then finish up this guy. That's right. And then you sent me a different prompt for this, so I'll use that. But we needed the lesson list of lessons, and I didn't want to do that until after we'd already gone through them all. So that was it. So I think that'll work. Project free, you can do this Pinecone, and when you're ending the stream, you can try my workflow and test and tell me any suggestions or improvements. Nah, I gotta jump to some other stuff, man. But you can figure it out, man. Honestly, I haven't done Pinecone. I haven't actually done a Pinecone connection yet, so like I'd have to learn that on the fly as well. But it just sounds like there's something not quite configured in your agent node, because it shouldn't be returning what you input. Like something's off on that. So that's definitely your clue that something's wrong there. Okay, so if I let this run all the way through again, we should get all the documents, and I think then that should aggregate. And then we need this other, yeah, there we go. We need this one. Create a doc, first text doc like this. Test your workflow. What do you mean? Like the one you're working on right now, or test your fishing one? Let's see. So I think it's what do we want to do with this? Final deliverables. This would be great. Copy all these fields in submission. Copy the spreadsheet. Example title, subtitle, course image, course description. What you will learn. Suggested requirements for the course. Courses for. Okay, so basically going to do something like this instead. And then the fish shield, bro. Okay. Course title example. So this needs to be generate a course overview document. Let's see. So then this template's always a little tough. So we want course I think course title, subtitle, course image. Yeah, whatever. I guess we're not going to have course image yet, so skip that for now. But yeah, because image is going to be tough because we need a way to. We need a. I guess if we put the image into the document, like we need a place to host the image if we generate an image. I think. I mean, it can go straight into the doc, or it can go. What am I trying to think here? Yeah, it could go into the doc. I guess if it went into this document, then it would be fine. But then it wouldn't be a text document. It would have to be a URL to the image. And so we need the image to have a URL somehow. So it needs to be uploaded to something. Because Nano Banana is not going to host it for forever. Yeah, to figure out what to do with that. Yes. Yeah, that would work. And then we just, yeah, that's true. We could go into Google Drive, and then we'd have to change the Google Drive to, yeah, right, yeah, you need it, but you need a URL, so like you need it to be somewhere. But yeah, if it went into Google Drive, that would work. And then you could get the URL from that. So yeah, that would work. Description. So I'm gonna hold off on that for now. So course description. What you will learn. Suggested requirements for the course. Who this course is for? The document this document will contain details about the course based on the data provided. Here are the sections of the document. Here is the course data. All right. I always forget. I mean, I guess does it matter? Is it better to do? I think I want to provide an example first, and then provide the data. So this is important info. Link to image. Course description. What you'll learn. Suggested requirements for the course. Okay. I think that structures that pretty well. Don't need the image in the document yet. And then is the data to use. So we need the course title, which is name, right? Or topic. Course topic, I guess. Course topic. Then we want course description. And then, oh, subtitle. Yeah, subtitles description. So, title. subtitle. Tell you, any project, do something complex. I don't know, man. Yeah, there's all kinds of complex stuff you could do. You could build on your uh fishing flow. Make it more complex. Okay, so then course description is that. So target audience. I guess I'm looking at this no, not this doc. This doc. I mean, I guess I guess it would just use that data. Audience. Oh, well, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, that's more of a development thing. But you totally could. Yeah, you could build a Chrome browser or Chrome extension and then connect it to your workflow. So yeah, there you go. That sounds plenty complex right now. About the course title, subtitle, target audience, course description, and then we will need the list of lessons, right? What you'll learn, list of lessons, suggested requirements for the course and who this course is for. So I mean, I guess yeah, we're just gonna pass in the data again to kind of help fill that out. Yeah, the list of lesson titles is gonna come from this guy. So I think I deleted most of the. Or let's go ahead and get rid of this stuff. Okay, I think. Yeah, I guess I haven't let it run all the way through, so it should do both. Primary lessons for what you learn. Okay. Was I thought what you'll learn is the lessons, right? And then suggested requirements. All right. I'll reload this. Let's see if we can get to that part. Execute. Stop. What for? Ah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, no worries. So that should do 2. And then I just want to make sure that this actually aggregates correctly. Title was not found. Oh, wait, what? It should have been. How was it not? Is it just returning? Oh, it's just returning like all the stuff from the end of the loop? Yeah, okay. It looks like it returned the Google Drive stuff. Okay. So it really should return. So loop over items is returning the stuff that's at the end, I guess. So either I could just create a custom object then that returns the title. There you go. That way, when it gets back to here, it will have the title. I think. Let's test that real quick. uh, go. That work? I don't know that worked. There we go. Cool. Yeah, that'll work. So I can just do that. Tag that at the end. Conductor, what's up, man? How goes the new world grind? There we go. So connect that guy. Connect that. Now we'll run the whole thing again. Whoa. Yeah, now I was wondering. It's starting to get some lag. I'm gonna have to restart my computer here in a little bit. Better every day. How's the course generator going? We're so close, man. We're filling out our supplemental documents. So we've got a worksheet now. We've got the video already, video with subtitles. So you have both options. Then the slides that we used, the audio from the lecture is here. Whoops, the numbering's a little bit off. And now we have additional resources for it and a quiz. So we're building out these courses. They're getting pretty legit. This last guy, we're just trying to create a document that then kind of like sums up the whole course, which I think this is good to go now. So I'm going to run this again. Should have deleted all the stuff before that. 97%. Yep. We need an image probably to be generated. And then basically I think everything is there. I'm going to have to run, most of this runs in the cloud, and except for the video part. The video part runs locally. So probably actually need to pull down all the workflows and connect them up on local and make sure that all runs together. But then, yeah, the whole thing will work. How about you, man? How's the new job? I guess you've been there for a few months now. You becoming an expert? Seeing history being made. Exactly. Seems like a good day to be here. Almost done for today, unfortunately, but we're getting there. We're getting close. Maybe tomorrow, I think tomorrow will be pretty close. We just need an image, and then oh crap, I didn't mean for this thing to actually run. There's no lessons yet. Stop. Still did stuff. Whoa, maybe it returned even though it wasn't done. I did that somewhere else, right? I created a text document somewhere else. So many workflows. Is it here? Here, right? Or no, I think I did that earlier. Then dump all fields in worksheet to text file. Oh, that's right. We did that at the beginning, right? Yeah, there it is. That's where it was. Oh no. Just took all the form input text and dumped it into a file and then uploaded it. Course user inputs.text. But I used a convert to file. Okay. Yeah, so it just has to be a text. Yeah, so we've got the titles. So I can go back to this, say, hey, here's the list of titles. Cool. Then I was gonna give this like an extra step here to make sure that it understood what to do. But if we can dump all fields from sheets to text just as a backup of all content. Okay, so you dump all fields in worksheet to text file. Okay, so you want to take the Google Sheets file and just like CSV all the Google Sheets files? Okay. We'll see what this does. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna pick up on turning. Okay, yeah, we can do that. Turning what you'll learn into this list of lessons, but like I don't think it'll put that together. So I was trying to decide if we need to like show it how to fill this out. Say like, okay, here's your course title is here, subtitles here, your description is here. What you'll learn, suggested requirements for the criteria. This is course 4. So I don't know. We'll see what happens, I guess. It is nice that this is going through reliably. It's working correctly. Good to see the nodes processing. I have, yeah, I have heard of Quinn and Kimmy. I have Quinn 3.5 or something. I have it on my computer right now, actually. Played around with it a little bit. It seems like it's pretty good. Quinn Coder. And then I haven't, I've heard Kimmy's good, but I've not tried it. But I mean, they're probably due for another update in the crazy AI release cycle. So they probably will have new versions soon. So I was gonna say it's been a little while. I haven't tested Kimmy as a computer agent, so no. Test. Wait, Kimmy. Yeah, no, I haven't tried Kimmy as an agent yet, so I'm not sure. But I feel like I've heard decent things. Like it sounds like it's a pretty solid model. Okay, so then this is just the text output, right? So I just wanted to do convert to file, JSON to text. I have comment. Yeah, I haven't done too much with it. I just tried Atlas yesterday. I tried to have Atlas do some stuff, and it's it's very heavily told not to do repetitive things. I was like, here's a list of 50 things I need updated, and it's like, oh, cool. I'll do it 2 times. So they've done a pretty good job, I guess, trying to make sure that you can't just totally bot farm the browser, but it's also kind of annoying. Do I want? I mean, I guess content's fine. I didn't really tell it to do that, but I probably need to. Return your response in JSON. Like this. Document text. Text here. For full document text here. Cool. So that'll work a little. I'm going to unpin this, and we're going to have to run through the whole thing again. Right? Yep. But hopefully I need it to return a reliable response so that I can then reference it in the convert to file. So I can make sure that this always matches up. Comet is okay. And the new Atlas is okay, but they're both not there yet. Yeah. They're trying. I mean, for the amount of I use the I'll take GPT and I send screenshots to it all the time. I don't know oh yeah. Yeah, it sucks that Atlas is only on Mac OS. But I use the hotkey. I mean, on Mac it's like Command 2, but if you whatever window you had active before, you can send a screenshot to GPT. So I use that a lot. So it's almost to the point where it's like, yeah, if I was just in the browser, then I could just ask it like, hey, what about this thing? Because most of the time I'm in the browser trying to send it a question about something. Oh wait, do I have to do return as output content as JSON? Can I pin this? Can I pin this? I really don't want to run the whole thing again. Yeah, it's not gonna let me just get back to that part. It wants me to do the whole thing. I can unpin that, so that's good. But once I get that, I think I'm good to go. I have a bunch of duplicates. The numbers lined up though. That's good. the lesson numbers are matching. Yeah, because I pinned it when we started. Oh man. Okay. It's not pinned now, so should be fine. Do it one more time. And what I need is something to go in and delete all these duplicate files. Audio is good. Quiz. I have a bunch of quizzes. Don't want these. Worksheets. Gonna have a bunch of worksheets. Don't want these. But it seems to be working consistently, which is good. Quiz. All right. One more time. Same Altman saying they give you too much credits. Yeah, exactly. I'm sure he appreciates it. All right. So let's try this again. Hopefully, I get a good result out of it. Can't wait to run a 20 lesson course and 40 lesson course on my Minis Forum MS S1 Max Ryzen 395 plus 128 gigabyte unified memory. Second time, how long it takes. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how that goes. That'd be crazy. I mean, you're probably right. Like, it'd probably take like a half hour for a 20 and about an hour for a 40. But yeah, I don't know. It'll be interesting. Curious to see. Curious to see how long it takes. It's very close, though. Very, very close. Only gave the stats, so others watching the stream later know what you can run on this. Nice. There we go. There we go. All right, cool. So I guess n8n must do the lifting on that because I think GPT came back with the JSON object and then n8n converts it back into JSON. So that's cool. It's looking pretty good though. So we have document text, and then rather than that, we can do this. Oh no, it's gonna have to run the whole thing again. I can pin it, I guess. Nope. Don't want to delete it. No, I can't pin it. No. Made a horrible mistake. So how do I do this? Need like a. Oh man, what's the plan after this project done? That's a good question. I've got a few ideas after this one. A couple things I want to like vibe code. So I don't know if I'll be doing as much n8n stuff. I'll probably be doing stuff here and there, but yeah. I did. I was thinking about turning this into a SaaS. That would be cool. I may end up doing something like that. That's true. But yeah, I've got some other projects I want to work on too. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, I'm just gonna let this run. One more time. Message.content.document text. I think that's right. Yeah, because it's got to come from this guy. Slowly but surely generating more and more duplicate documents. I think I think I hit execute workflow, so I think it's going to run the whole thing. Which hopefully, if I set it up right, then we're good. And we'll get our binary data from the response, and then we just and it's gonna have to keep rerunning. I need a shortcut because this is crazy. I mean, I could do the sub workflow thing to separate it out. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, it did. It did get it. I got it right. These look like the lesson titles, so cool. I've done pretty well. All right, so then last part is upload file. I think we just dump it back into the course folder. Oh no. Is that what's remaining again? Yeah. I didn't save the course folder ID. Maybe I should have. I guess I will need it at the end. I didn't think I would need it. Wait, do I have it? Do we have course folder ID in here? Dude, what? Why am I signed out? I'm literally in Google Drive over here. Oh, not anymore, I guess. Uh-oh. Google's mad at me. I don't know why it always picks the wrong email. There we go. The wrong password. Am I spamming YouTube or not YouTube, spamming Google Docs APIs too much? They probably kick me out. All right, there we go. We're back. Let's get that password. Rather you didn't. All right. Do I have the lesson folder? Oh, no, that's for each lesson. I don't think I put the course folder ID in here, did I? Oh, I did. Oh, cool. Sweet. Look at me planning ahead. So when we get to here, I can get course folder ID from boom. All right. And then binary is data, so that'll match. And this will be not course user inputs, but this will be course overview. Right? Or I don't know. Did you have a name for that? Deliverables? I'll just call it course overview.txt. Okay. Do this one more time. And then that will be, I think, all of the documents. Of course, overview is fine. Cool. Well, at least we can pin this guy, so I don't need to run this again. Sorry, Sam. Not getting my 2 cents out of running that again. Okay. Yeah, what's remaining? So we do need an image for the course. We're gonna use like Nana Banana or something like that to create a course thumbnail image. And I think in terms of assets, I think that's it. I think that's everything for this. Because now all these folders are populated. We're getting resources. We have audio, we have a quiz, we have slides, we have video, we have a worksheet. So that is good. The only thing is I haven't run it end to end, so I'll probably try running it end to end. And again, like it's a bit of a split system. Almost everything right now is in the cloud, except for the video part. So finish this project on this stream. It's close. I mean, unfortunately, this doesn't pay, so I got to go work on some other stuff. So, but we're getting close for sure. I think by next week, we'll basically be there. So, save Google Worksheet as a CSV. Yes, we can do that. I know how to do that actually. That's probably like an API thing. But there we go. So there we go. So we have course overview text. Nice. Link to image, which doesn't exist yet. Yeah, it looks like it. Welcome entrepreneurs, ready to dive in the world of Python and unlock the power of APIs for your business. Okay, cool. So it didn't just like copy paste. So yeah, nice. I think we're good. Not bad, not bad. What's your plan? Yeah, I mean, yeah, it might make a little bit of money. But yeah, I mean, I figure I'll probably do some sort of I might actually give away the whole thing for free as far as like being able to build it. So like you can have the whole thing and I'll walk you through it in a video. But then you probably pay for support or whatever, or pay to be able to use it if you don't want to build it yourself. All right, so how do we? Is there a export? Probably not. Docs, sheets. We probably just need a API. See, there an API? Or can you give me an example of using an n8n HTTP request node to export a Google Sheet document to CSV? Cool. So just a get request. Okay. It might have to be public. I'm going to do an HTTP request node. And it's a get. file ID. Crap. %20. %20. Details. And then authentication. Oh, yeah. Cool. We can just use predefined because we've already got it. Sheets, Google Sheets, go auth. And then body. Do I need all this? Seems like a lot of bloat. I just want the document. Example JSON for HTTP request node. Wait. It's just a get. I don't need a body. So then do response file. Hang on. I'm not going to do this at the end. We're going to do this over here. Oh yeah. To remove some of the subflows, create slides, creating audio. So in free Skool, all they get is course text generator. But in your paid Skool, you get the video generator course. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, exactly. Cause like I don't like charging for this stuff. I'd rather I'll charge for my time, but I don't know. I'd rather give away something for free. Get tired of everyone being so greedy all the time. All right. So then, oh yeah, crap. So I can just do that. JSON file ID. Crap. Let's see. Do that. Okay, and then oh, I guess I'm just testing. So we'll just run it like that. That work? Oh, that worked. Nice. Nice, yeah. What happened? Did I open? Oh, there's cursor. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Okay, cool. So we have to do this 3 times. So we have to do it for each tab. So we have details, then text, and then course details, course text, and course content. So it's a little bit hard coded, but it'll work. We'll test it again. Why not? Action lost. Oh, man. Just give me one, and then that'll give me one. Cursor. Yep, that worked. Nice. And then this should be the last one. Ah, man. All right. What is this? Yeah, that's correct. Cool. Cool. So these are correct. Then just need to upload them. So we just do this again. Do this kind of brute force, but it'll work. All right. So, man. If I run it to here, will it let me do that? No, because it hasn't reached. Or yeah, maybe it will. Cool. So then I can get course ID. Or no, I need course ID, not so I need this guy, file ID. That's what I want. File ID. And then same for this one. That one. These have the right names, course content, course text. But really these need to be split up because we need to do the upload. And that should work. So this will be course content or course details .csv. Course text CSV. And course content .csv. Okay, that should give us all the documents that we need. Hoping anyone looking to create when I make money can help more people free. Yeah, for sure. It definitely helps. No hurt. That's my boy. There you go. Hoping anyone can create courses and trying to automate this process. Yeah, for sure. Very from LinkedIn. Nice. There you go. Normally create 40 lessons in video. It takes about 3 months with research making videos. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it would take a long time to create a course. This will create a decent one. Okay. So this should go through the whole process again. Where are we at? It's already 11:30. All right, then I'm gonna clear these out again. Trash, and then was trash video worksheet. Yeah, okay, cool. So those are good. Let's do the whole thing one more time. That should give us some yes, should be the final run for today. That should give us all the documents. Let's see. I guess I got a bonus course overview text, which is fine. Did I pin? Yeah, I pinned those. And then we should get some CSVs out of that to back up the Google Sheet. Ooh. So now we should be repopulating those folders. And then uploading the text, uploading that CSV, and that CSV, and that CSV. Boom. Nice. Hey, look at that. Course content, course details, course text. Good stuff. All right, nice. So this is getting real close. I think we just need an image, and I don't know. Then I think we just run the whole thing and see if it does everything end to end without video, of course. I have to do video separate. But yeah. Sorry, man. We are ending stream. It's getting late. Based in Edinburgh, Scotland. Yeah, it's real late for you then. Well, I guess not real late, but yeah, it's getting into the evening for you. Isaac, what's up, man? Hey, thanks for joining. Yeah, unfortunately, just wrapping up for today, but image that did. Yeah, exactly, right? Just the image, and we'll probably we can do the image at the beginning or something. So just call banana and I guess, yeah, put it into Google Docs, and then we should be good to go. So yeah, that'll work. But yeah, thanks guys. Thanks for hanging out. I'll be back on, I think, tomorrow afternoon. Ah, crap. Yeah, we do need a test. Sorry, man. Maybe tomorrow. But yeah, I got to get going, unfortunately. But yeah, I'll be back tomorrow afternoon for a little bit. So I'll let you know then. So nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, that'll work. But yeah, thanks guys. Thanks for hanging out. And yeah, I will see you then. Conductor, thanks for coming. Yug, sorry, man. Yeah, sorry. We'll definitely test out your thing at some point. Sorry, I didn't get to it today. And Isaac, thanks for stopping by, man. Appreciate it. All right. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.